Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play DayZ Stretched. Many players use a stretched resolution to gain a competitive edge. It can make enemies appear wider, making them easier to target, and potentially increase your field of view. This guide will walk you through the simple steps to set up a custom resolution and configure your game for an optimal stretched experience. Get ready to enhance your DayZ gameplay with this easier-to-follow setup. The first step is to create a custom resolution through your graphics card software. Whether you have an NVIDIA or AMD card, open its control panel. Look for the display settings, specifically the section for changing or creating custom resolutions. Here, you will input your desired stretched resolution, such as 1440 by 1080 pixels. After creating it, make sure to apply this new resolution to your monitor. Once your custom resolution is active, you need to tell DayZ to use it. Open Steam, right-click DayZ, and select Properties. Under the General tab, find Set Launch Options. Here, you will input specific commands like windowed knob order resolution equals 1440 x 1080 to force the game into your desired stretched view. This ensures DayZ launches correctly with your new settings, preventing any display issues. With your custom resolution and launch options set, it is time to jump into DayZ. Once in the game, navigate to your video settings. You may need to adjust the in-game aspect ratio to properly match your stretched display. Experiment with different custom resolutions, such as 1720 by 1080, to find what feels best for your playstyle. Ensure your user interface scales correctly for optimal visibility.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.